So the first exercise asks us to compute the marginal cost and the marginal revenue. To compute the marginal cost, we first need to get the derivative of the total cost. So it will be now, in order to get the total revenue, we need to get the price demanded times quantities, and that will be and now finally, to get the marginal revenue, we'll need to get the derivative of the total revenue. That will be. So here we have our final results for the marginal cost and for the marginal revenue.
Now we need to compute the market equilibrium. The market equilibrium is the point where the marginal revenue and the marginal cost intersect, which Manuel had already computed. So we equal the marginal revenue to the marginal cost, which gives us a quantity of the equilibrium of 13.5. Now, to find the equilibrium price, we need to use the demand function and substitute the quantity on the demand curve, which gives us a price of 85 euros. To draw these conclusions, we need to draw the marginal revenue, the demand curve, and the marginal cost curve. This point gives us the quantity of the equilibrium, which is 14.5, and in the demand curve we have the price of the equilibrium, which is 85.
So in this item, due to supply constraints, there was an increase in cocoa beans price. So this leads to our new total cost function given by this expression. Now, to find the new market equilibrium, we need to first take the new marginal cost as given by the derivative of this expression. That is given by 8q plus 4. So we use our new marginal cost, that is given by 8q plus 4, and we go to our marginal revenue that was kept unchanged. So 11, 12, and this gives us a quantity of 9. Now use this quantity of 9 and we put it in our demand function to find our new price equilibrium. 112 minus 2 times 9 equals 94. And this is our new price equilibrium. So moving on to our graphical analysis, our new marginal cost function becomes steeper and is something like this, our new marginal cost. And now we need to quantify our new quantity, that is 9, so something like this. And for this quantity, we have a new price equilibrium of 94.
So given this increase in the total costs of production, the head of Vieira de Castro, a Portuguese chocolate brand, states that we are inevitably starting to see a price increase in chocolate and chocolate products. And we are asked if our model proves this statement. The answer is yes, since our new equilibrium is for a lower quantity and a higher price. So, yes. And quantity decrease. And we're also asked if how this change affects the consumers. So the consumers are worse off. Since they now have to spend more to acquire less. In this next question, we're asked to compute the elasticity of our demand and to evaluate if it's an elastic or inelastic demand. So the elasticity is given by this. So it will be the slope is 2 times the new price for the quantity demanded, which is 9, which will give us an elasticity of 5.2. Since our elasticity demand is higher than 1, it's elastic. The last question asks us if the market is more profitable now after the change or not, and how do producers feel about it. So we need to compute the profit, which is the price minus the average total cost, multiplied by the quantity. First we need to compute the average total cost, the old one and the new one, and the average total cost is the total cost divided by the quantity. And the old one is this. Now we can compute the profit beyond our ending one. And the new profit is lower than lower. So we can conclude that the profit is decreasing and that it's affecting the producers.
So this is our exercise. We are now going to our digital plots.
And we hope to see this exercise in the next year's tutorials.